Guys, your business, your partner, your environment, your clients all reflect to you in every moment. They are your mirrors, yeah? And that's so beautiful and painful at the same time, right? Because it really hurts sometimes to do the mirror work, to look in the mirror when you realize that over and over again, when you recognize all the mirrors, even the ones that annoy you. And we don't want to see them as ours. And yeah, for example, when he can't make decisions, is overwhelmed by it, and you give him options to make it easier, but you just wish he would lead, but he can't, and or doesn't want to, or just doesn't like to lead. So then the question is, how overwhelmed are you when you have to lead and have to make decisions? The answer is often a lot, isn't it? I know. I feel all of you. And what to do here is really recognize this, accept it, take also personal responsibility for it, because as long as you haven't integrated this into yourself, your partner won't do it the way you want him to. So again, clarity leads the way, clarity is the key. So remember to look in the mirror. We often forget about it and also avoid it when it's the hard truth we have to face.